Hi friends, I hope you're doing well. Today I came across with another set of interview questions which was asked in R1-RCM first round. So first question is this. They mainly focused on SQL part. What is the primary key? This is the first question they have asked. Another question they have asked, what is a unique key? And third question, tell me the difference between unique key and primary key. When to use unique key, when to use primary key. So this is the question, third question. Now moving to fourth question. So fourth question they have asked what is a foreign key? This is the fourth question. And then they have asked what is a time table? This is the fifth question. Now they have came to another question. What is a time variable? And next question they have asked what is a stored uh, what is a table variable. So after asking these three questions, they asked me, can you could you tell me uh, uh, could you tell me what is the main difference between table variable, time table, and time variable? When to use time table, when to use table variable, and when to use time variable? This is the question they have asked. Now another question they have asked: what is stored procedure? They asked question what is stored procedure, and then asked another question. Uh, This is the seventh question. How can you return something from a stored procedure? Please write a syntax. Please write a syntax. Then another question they have asked in eighth number question. What is a join? What kind of join do we have in SQL? Could you explain? So I have given the answer whatever they have asked related to join. Now another question they have asked in regarding in join. So they have given two data set. First data set contain table 1 and table 2, and table 1 contain record 111, and second table 11115 time. First table contain 4 time I 1, and second table contain 5 time 1. So there is only one column, and these are the row on there. And say another data set is table 1 that contain row. You can give the any name of the particular sorry you can give the any name of the particular column that contain the row, and row contain the value 1 comma null 1 null 1 2 0 0. And there is another table 2. The you can give the column name whatever you wish. And they in table column 2 contain the value 2 null 1 2 null 2 1 0 0, 2 null 1 0 0. Then he asked me question, what would be the count for different type of join, like inner suppose you are going to apply the inner join, how many rows it will going to return? If you are going to apply the right join, how many rows it will going to return? If you are applying to left join, how many rows it will going to return? Then you apply the full join, how many rows it is going to return? And same as for cross join. Now I'm moving to another question. Write a query to find the maximum salary of an employee. Find the maximum salary of an employee in a table. uh, Maximum salary from employee table. So suppose there is employee table, and they want to ask they ask this question. So I asked, I'm not able to understand whatever you want to ask, because the there is employee table and there are different employee. So you want department wise max salary, or you want to max salary of the employee, you want to print the record of the particular employee, like employee name, id, and other things, and salary. So he told me that whatever way you can perform, you can do the things. So I have given the answer in front of him. So another question he asked, difference between dense rank, and row number. So you have to give the example, and through the example you have to explain the things. Either you can use any different way also. Now another question they have asked: what is a view and what is materialized view? Tell me the difference between these two, and the definition also of these two. Then another question he asked: calculating the duration of employee has spent in a company. Has spent in a company. Suppose any employee working with any company. So what is the duration? How much time he has worked with particular that company? You have to calculate through the SQL query, and give you have to give the query in front of I give the answer, and write a query in front of him. So what is a lambda function in Python, and what is the use, and when we are using a lambda function? So this is the question in related to Python he asked. Another question he asked: what is the difference between mutable and immutable data type in Python? So you know that that a list and tuples and other different data types. So you have to explain the thing. So which one is a mutable and which one is immutable? So he asked me, what is a tuple in Python? Write a syntax for a tuple. Another question he asked: what is the difference between set and dictionary? What is the difference between set and dictionary? Now another question he asked: what is a negative index in Python? List or string anywhere. You have to explain what is the negative index on there. Now last question he has asked: how to print a list. Suppose you have a list, and you want to print a list in reverse order. How can you do it? So this is the question he asked in during the interview.